5 reasons to add magnesium to your daily routine. In today's video, you will understand why increasing your magnesium levels protects you against diseases. Magnesium is an essential mineral necessary for maintaining good health. It is part of many important body functions, from regulating the nervous function to alleviating muscle pain and heartburn, preventing osteoporosis and controlling blood sugar levels. Since it is necessary for so many body functions, low magnesium levels can lead to serious diseases such as diabetes and heart diseases. Let's see the main benefits of magnesium. Helps control diabetes by regulating sugar transportation, alleviating poor digestion and heartburn, especially when taken as magnesium hydroxide. Controls blood pressure, especially in pregnant women under risk of eclampsia, low risk of heart disease. By reducing the buildup of fat in the blood vessels, improves physical performance since it is a key mineral for muscle contraction. Improves mood because it is related to serotonin production, a neurotransmitter that helps reduce anxiety, maintain mental health, and control mood changes. Prevents osteoporosis since it produces hormones that increase bone formation. Also, magnesium is used in laxatives to fight constipation and is an antacid for the stomach. Having low magnesium levels can lead to low calcium and potassium levels because magnesium deficiency disturbs the mineral homeostasis in the body. According to the Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, adults should ingest around 310 to 420 milligrams of magnesium per day to avoid deficiency. The daily consumption dose varies according to age and sex, that is easily attained through a healthy, balanced diet. You can find magnesium in many foods, such as beans and lentils, oats, all-wheat brown rice, avocado, banana, and kiwi, broccoli, pumpkin, and leafy greens like collard greens and spinach, in seeds, especially pumpkin and sunflower, almonds, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, cashew nuts, and peanuts are other sources of magnesium. Milk, yogurt, and other byproducts, as well as coffee, meat, and chocolate. In addition to these foods, some industrialized products are fortified with magnesium, such as cereals and chocolate milk. Although these aren't the best options available, they can be used sporadically. It is worth mentioning that magnesium supplementation should be prescribed by a doctor or nutritionist, since the recommended dose will vary according to the cause of your deficiency. The diagnosis is confirmed through a blood or urine test, then the excess of magnesium can cause nausea, vomiting, hypotension, drowsiness, double vision, and weakness. So did you like learning more about the benefits of magnesium for your body? Do you know how your magnesium levels are? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.